If you want to connect your Shopify store to Instagram Shop, then here's what you're going to do. First, make sure that your store meets Meta's commerce eligibility requirements and you have a Facebook Business Manager account set up. In your Shopify admin, we're going to head over to settings from the bottom left corner of your screen. Just click on it. And then from here on the left panel, you can see apps and sales channels. So click on that. And then after that, we are going to click on Shopify App Store. So this is the app that we actually need, this Facebook and Instagram Meta. Now we're going to head over back to Shopify App Store. And then from here, I'm just going to search Instagram. Or you can also see it actually from the homepage if you don't have it yet downloaded because it's one of the most popular apps out there. So we're just going to um, Facebook and Instagram. I'm just going to search for that. And then you can see here the Facebook and Instagram. So once you click on this, it would usually say install. So all you have to do is to just follow the prompts and then install this. Now we're going to open it. It's going to ask you to actually sign in to the account that you use. And then you are going to connect your business manager and then you're going to select your Facebook page and Instagram account once you hit on get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to add your product catalog and then personalize the ads for every potential customer. And then that's it. That is how you can connect your Shopify store to Instagram shop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. And I recently created a 1 hour long step-by-step Shopify tutorial which can help you set up your store in no time. If you want to learn more, click here to watch the full video and I will see you there.